Okay, so we're doing a grounded theory of the Gospel of Mark, and we're in chapter 1 and verse 45. So I'm opening this up. He went out and began to proclaim. So the gerunds here are going out, beginning, proclaiming. So I'm going to put in here going out. There's another space here, beginning. We can use this line as well. Take that away. Proclaiming. Let's just see what the concept is. Proclaim it much. So we're not going to leave good news in there. We'll take that out. And to spread about the matter. So spreading is the next gerund. Spreading. There we go. Etc. So basically what's happening here, and then I'll just copy it like this. Say Control C and paste, Control V. Right. So all the occurrences in the Gospel of Mark, and I've got the whole of Gospel of Mark here. Once we've coded everything, all the occurrences of, for example, proclaiming, when this data is sorted according to the key code. Now, key code stands for keyword coding. I just call it a key code. And we code with gerunds, with verbs that end in ing. Offering ends in ing. It's called a gerund. So basically, it's an action word. Everything to do with anything that we do research on ultimately has to do with actions. Because if nothing is happening, well then, nothing's happening, then there's nothing to do about how you can improve something or change something or how it was done or whatever the case may be. So when all of this is sorted, as you will see later, let's say all the proclaiming, say there's 30 proclaiming codes in the whole of the Gospel of Mark. Well, then all the data in which that the word proclaiming or the concept proclaiming occurs will be next to each of those words. And when you've got 30 instances of proclaiming all in one group, you can then begin to integrate the data and information into higher conceptual levels of thinking, from proclaiming to something higher, and then we can put the higher coding over here, and in that way we build up the structure of the theory.